race number 6. Oh, way they go. The Goose Charm from the outside, Janet Lim. Forever Legacy in the middle. Then comes Giant Wonder. China's Golden on the inside, while Natu Princess is the early trailer. Janet Lin by some 4 lengths, followed by Giant Wonder. China's Golden on the inside, Forever Legacy. Moving up by the Natu Princess, Goose Charm. As they round the 3/4 mile distance, Janet Lin by some 4 lengths, followed by China's Gold. Alongside Giant Wonder, Forever Legacy is under. Further outside, Nadu Princess, Goose Charm is running at the tail of the field, working towards the back. Janet Lin by 2, followed by Giant Wonder. Forever Legacy is racing from the outside. China's Gold Nato Princess is moving up by the rail, and Douglas Charm still running at the back of the pack. Janet Lin by a length and a half. Giant Wonder. Forever Legacy is running in third. China's Gold Nato Princess is moving up by the rail. Douglas Charm still running at the tail of the field. Last 450 and going to the long, nice stretch round with Janet Lin. There's as well FM Raquel Jr. on Forever Legacy. It's Janet Lin by some 5 lengths, followed by Giant Wonder. Natu Princess is racing from the outside, China's Gold. And nearing the finish line, it's still Janet Lin. And finally at the finish line, Janet Lin. Second, Natu Princess, Giant Wonder, China's Gold, and the Goose Charm.